Is leaning this way, we'll put the bed over there on the left side. And then we'll put
now?
No, later. Yeah, so this is the second job. We'll put all the furniture as much as we can here, and then more boxes on that side.
Good? Yep. Bro, this thing's all slid right open. Good? Yep.
Yeah, that was a heavy one.
Far so good.
Yep, so far so good. We got all the bins on one side and furniture is on the other side. Wow, we're making so much space for all this. Tight up to the ceiling. So bedroom number 1 is almost done, and also bedroom number 2. And this is the master bedroom.
That's what happens when you bring down a piano, you know, from the hill.
Ready?
You guys will be on TikTok. Now ready to unload, guys.
Yep.
Ready to unload?
Got an ice cap here, you know.
Yeah.
Make sure grab that sugar free.
All right. I had to interlock them,
I know.
so they don't move.
Exactly. Let's put inside of me. Give me the big one. Over there.
What's that?
Just see this help.
Dog, like small dog.
Yeah.
For that one. Garage maybe, I don't know. Okay, we are more than half.
Definitely more than half.
Yeah. This is the master bedroom. We just finished the job. We did job number 2 from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. So it was 6 hours. First job was 3 hours. Second job was 6. So total of 9 hours to finish 2 jobs today. Everything went well. Everything was okay. And I just dropped off my guys. And now it's time to go home. Until next time. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.